How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and I am at Idlewild SoakZone in Ligonier. It may not look like I am in an amusement park, but here we are. This park dates all the way back to 1878. It is a trolley park. It's right along here on the Lincoln Highway, and this is one of the most unique amusement parks that I've been to. This is a park I come to every single year. It also helps too that it's included in a Platinum Pass for Palace Parks, which I got here at Kennywood. But we're gonna go in, see what's going on for Idlewild for the 2023 season, and have a fun and relaxing visit here in the woods. So let's go in and try to have some fun. Just had a ride on the historic Carousel here at Idlewild, dating all the way back to 1931 and built by the Philadelphia Toboggan Company. In fact, Idlewild, they're doing a very slow process of actually restoring this carousel. Some horses need some work, but others, you can tell they were definitely recently refurbished. And I can't wait until this is all done. Although this year there is one controversial decision that has been made, and that is that they added seat belts to all the horses. And yes, it is mandatory for everyone to wear a seat belt when riding on this carousel. So take that for what you will. There is a brand new procedure now to ride the Rollo Coaster. You still have to be weighed. You can't be more than 265 pounds. But now you are loading where the unload is. You load and unload in the same spot, and there is a metal gate on the platform. They assign you a row, and I think it's slightly more efficient. Still don't like the rabbit ears on the side of the trains and the fact that you have to be weighed. But Rollo Coaster, I still feel, is actually running really good in the state that it is now. It's a fun little roller coaster. There's a sign talking about the origins of the wild mouse, the only Vekoma wild mouse ever built. So all along the wild mouse now is brand new metal fencing that's much taller and much more secure than the wooden fencing they had before. Wild Mouse is as fun as always. Honestly, one of my favorite Wild Mouse coasters. I had way more fun on this than I did on the new Wild Mouse over at Cedar Point, but that's just my personal taste. The lake here around SoakZone looks great. I love these fountains they put in, and it looks super clean, much better than it has been in previous years. So they built a brand new ramp coming off of the bridge over the Loyalhanna Creek. It's wide open, much more accessible, and I like the landscaping they put around it. It looks very nice.
The roller coaster.
Over here at the Spider, they have removed the iconic white picket fencing that's around most of the rides here at Old Idlewild with this metal fencing. However, there is now more of a definitive queue line for the Spider. Guest Relations used to be located in its own separate building next to the Howler, but now it is located in the back of the general store gift shop. And that long line right there is for season pass processing. They have painted the hill for Login Toboggan a bright blue.
All the measurements myself.
It looks a little off to me.
Now look at it from this perspective. See? Now.
Oh, now I see it.
Yeah, see it now? Okay, see? It just takes a little perspective. I hope you like it. Hey, did you guys like my house? Did you like my house?
I'm Captain Candy. Did you know that? And this is my pirate ship. It's called the Good Ship and Lollipop. Can you say that? Good Ship and Lollipop? Hi! Are you a pirate?
You a pirate?
Are you a pirate? Are you a pirate? Hi? Can you say arr? This is my ship. It's under construction right now.
Said Pa and Pa Bear, baby bear just cried. She rocked it fine and now it's broke.
Is this your shoe? Did you make it yourself?
My many, many children.
How many?
A dozen.
A dozen. That's a lot of bread we gotta feed.
Yeah. Hello.
I know this may be a little childish to ask, but what does a cow say?
Woof woof.
Good job! Now, what does a pig say?
Meow.
No, a pig says quack quack.
Oh, that's right. Just went through Storybook Forest, and it was a pleasant surprise to actually see a good number of live actors in there, and they were really hamming up the performance, and it definitely adds atmosphere to this very rare walkthrough attraction. They used to be all across the country, and I believe this is one of the last ones still remaining, so definitely good to see. The Loyalhanna Limited just got a big refurbishment for the green train and the bridge going over the Loyalhanna Creek.
This is my bag. You don't need that if you only have one train.
And that's going to do it from Idlewild and SoakZone. Despite them not having like any major new attraction this year, they made some significant improvements in beautifying the park. Some area of the parks look really nice and fresh. And it was just a really good, relaxing day at the amusement park. And usually you don't put relaxing next to an amusement park. But it really is. It's very casual and laid back, and that's what I really like about this place. And I will definitely be back out here when I can. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.